So if you're using Cash App, you are missing out on some of the best features if you don't have their physical Visa debit card. It lets you spend your balance anywhere, grab instant cash back boosts at your favorite spots, and it is completely free to order. And we are walking through exactly how to design and apply for yours step by step. So open Cash App on your phone and look at the bottom menu and tap on the Card tab. If you don't have a card yet, you'll see a screen displaying a physical card with a big button that says Get Free Cash Card. Tap that to kick off the process. Next up is the fun part, customizing your card. So Cash App lets you choose a base style. The classic black or white cards are completely free, but you can also pay a little extra for premium styles like glitter, glow-in-the-dark, or heavy metal cards. Once you pick your color, tap Personalize Card, and you can toggle your dollar cash tag on or off, draw your own signature, or place emojis directly onto the card layout. Once you have it looking exactly how you want it, tap Continue. Now we need to tell Cash App where to send your physical card and verify who you are. So enter and confirm your mailing address. Make sure you double check this so your card doesn't get lost in the mail. Then Cash App will prompt you to verify your identity to satisfy banking regulations. You'll need to enter your legal name, date of birth, and last 4 digits of your SSN. Don't worry, this is a standard safety check and will not affect your credit score at all. Finally, choose your shipping speed. Choose completely free, which takes about 7 to 10 business days, or you can pay $15 to have it expedited. That is it. While you wait for your physical card to arrive, Cash App will instantly give you access to virtual cash card inside the app. You can link into Apple Pay or Google Wallet to start spending. That is it. Enjoy as always. Don't forget to subscribe.